Hello everybody, welcome back. Lost Latvian here with another video, and I got something cool to show you guys. Let's take a break from the caps, and I'm gonna do a sneaker unboxing. Yep, I was kind of looking forward to get this package from Puma, and that finally happened a few days ago. And finally, there is a holiday weekend, 4th of July. You know, this video is going to come out, I believe, on 5th. So hopefully you guys all had a great 4th of July celebration going on, and everybody were safe after launching multiple fireworks or whatnot. I could hear loud bangs all over the place. So yeah, hopefully everybody are safe, and yeah, had a great time too, and for me personally, I had a 4-day weekend, so that was kind of cool. The weekend was overshadowed by a stupid accident what happened to my wife. She was basically dog sitting for one of her co-workers, and she stayed overnight in her house, watching the dog, because it was kind of like farther away from our house. And in the morning when she got up to come home, she discovered that she does not have front or back license plate on her car. And also somebody tried to break in and basically messed up the latch on the door. They kind of, luckily it's that decorative thing, where they just popped it off, and really didn't mess much with the per se the key part of it, where you insert your key. But yeah, that's all minor. Luckily the car was still there. But yeah, it's the Denver, and the surroundings getting pretty bad, and I truly believe that it was attempted car theft, and next door, like not the next door, but the car right next to her, same thing happened, and their lock was fucked up quite a bit, not ours. But anyways, so that happened on 2nd, June 2nd, July 2nd. And but yeah, it's all good, police report was filed and all that, and we're gonna get the new license plates and fix the door, the decorative part of it. Anyway, so let's get on with it, and let's look at this box. It came from Puma, and I actually saw this one popping up on my Facebook feed, and so I went and got it. But yeah, this is something. Did I show it upside down one more time? As you can read it, it's hooked to a popular cartoon in the mid 80s, so-called Thundercats. I was never into like that kind of cartoons, but there are a lot of people who like the cartoons and yeah, comics and stuff like that. I just like this one for what the shoe looks like. So a little background about it, let me read for you, because I had to actually read it up. I didn't even know this series existed, to be honest. And I kind of care less about all these hooks and what they are, but if I like the shoe or a cap, I kind of do a little research, to kind of see it, how well it was hooked to something. But yeah, so the Thundercats was an American media franchise featuring a fictional group of cat-like humanoid aliens. And the characters were created by Tobin Ted Wolfe and originally featured in an animated television series named Thundercats. And the series were running from 1985 to 1989. Which was animated actually by Japanese studio Pacific Animation Corporation. So yeah, kind of like I would say, Japanese cartoon, and to be honest, I do not like a lot of Japanese cartoons, man. I think that they were drawn kind of like poorly, you know. I like more like a Disney looking characters, you know, or Looney Tunes or something like that, you know. But yeah, it is what it is. But so that's a little background how they came up with the shoe. And let's see what's inside, you know. So as we open the box, and that's how it is. Then you peel off this paper and let's unreel the shoe. Oh wow, let's take one out. Oh, that's fresh smell. Love it. So look at that. Look at this shoe. Sheesh. How'd you like that? And I think this one is hooked to, there was in the cartoon, I kind of briefly looked up what it is, and there was like a lion looking thing, and it really, these colors are looking just like that character was. So, oh wow. So let's just look at the sole first. That's what the sole looks like. Look at the colorway, you know, and I have quite a few hats I can match this shoe to. And look at the back of the shoe. All these spikes, you know, one of the characters had these spikes on it. And there's Puma logo. And then look at here, this almost looks like a fur, but it has a little note here. What does that say? Falk's fur. It might look like it, but this is fowl fur and not the real thing. So I believe it's some kind of a freaking cat or whatever, but it's a fake material which looks like a fur. And look at this one. So if on the one side there's the Puma logo, on the other side there is a Thundercat, like a logo from the movie, from the cartoon, and it's like a holographic, or how you say it, when you kind of turn it, you know, it changes the picture. I don't know, you guys can see it. Don't know how well the camera is gonna capture it. It's kind of freaking cool as hell, man. I love Puma products. Puma, they make extremely high quality sneakers. They have all kinds of hooks to them and all different kinds of colorways. And why there are a lot of people who enjoy the Nikes, Air Jordans or whatnot, to me that's a one-ass boring shoe, you know. Yeah, it's iconic, but you can only play so much with the colorways, and I just don't like the style. I'm not going to repeat myself. You're not going to see any Nike in my collection, because I just don't like the brand, and that's it, period. So yeah, let me take out the other shoe. So yeah, it's take out this paper. It's just a freaking awesome shoe. It also has right here, it's spelled out Thundercats. That's on both shoes. But the colorway is what got me. And they have several different kinds in these series, a THUNDERCATS series. For each character in that cartoon, they have a shoe hooked to that character. You know, I happen to like this colorway the best. You know, again, here's the THUNDERCAT logo. Same spikes here. And the one thing I can tell you, if for New Balance, I wear 9.5 shoe, basically. That's what fits me the best. So if I buy a New Balance, I gotta buy them size 10, because they seem to be like the 9.5s seem to be a little tight on my foot. Pumas, it's totally opposite. Puma is a true 9.5, which this shoe is, and it fits me perfect. So yeah, 9.5s when I buy Pumas. So you can basically buy Pumas on your whatever your size is. If you buy New Balance, go a half a size bigger, so your foot feels more comfortable. But yeah, so guys, let me know what you think about this. Is this a good shoe? Do you like something like that? I really enjoy the colors. You know, I like colorful shoes, and I totally can see myself rocking these ones with quite a few caps I got, you know, which are, some of them are really colorful, and it will really complement this shoe, you know. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's it for today. Midweek's video, where I basically unboxed in front of you guys these wonderful Puma sneakers hooked to a THUNDERCAT cartoon character. I believe it was a lion or something like that. So yeah, again, thank you so much everybody who have watched my videos. There's gonna be another video this weekend, top 10 hats for month of June, and honorable mention. And there's gonna be some surprising results. I already tallied everything up, and yeah, I was actually quite a bit in shock about one cap, but alrighty, that's for the next time. Guys, stay healthy and see you all very soon. Bye. TheLostLatvian out.